Good morning, students. Today I will take you to the beautiful island groups of India, that is Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep. First of all, you should be knowing what the islands are. An island, it is any piece of subcontinent land that is surrounded by water from all the sides. India has a vast mainland. Besides this, the country has also two groups of islands, the Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. See the location of the island groups of India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal, whereas Lakshadweep is located in Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Islands are the smallest union territory of India, and it is a group of islands 200 to 300 km off the coast of Kerala in the Arabian Sea, and it's located in 8 degree and 12 degree north latitude and 71 degree and 74 degree east longitude. There are 36 coral islands that constitute Lakshadweep Islands, and only 10 are inhabited and only 6 have been opened for tourism. Their land area is 32 kilometer or 32 square kilometer. These islands formed of coral deposits are called atolls. Atolls are circular or horseshoe shaped coral reefs. Kavaratti is the administrative headquarters of Lakshadweep Islands. This island group has great diversity of flora and fauna. Now let's see the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located between 6 degree and 14 degree north latitude and 92 degree and 94 degree east longitude in the Bay of Bengal near the Myanmar coast. You can see in the figures in the maps given below. They are bigger in size and are more numerous and scattered. So as compared to the Lakshadweep, the Andaman Nicobar Islands are more scattered. The entire group of islands is divided into two broad categories, the Andaman in the north and the Nicobar in the south. The Andamans and Nicobars are separated by a channel, the 10 degree channel, some 150 km wide. There are 572 islands in the territory, of which only approximately 38 are permanently inhabited. Most of the islands, about 550, are in the Andaman groups, 26 of which are inhabited. The smaller Nicobars comprise some 22 main islands, out of which the 10 are inhabited. These islands spread over a length of 350 km. They are submerged hill ranges. Some of them are of volcanic origin. India's only active volcano is found on barren islands in Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. The total area of Andaman and Nicobar Island territory is approximately 8,337 square kilometer, in which the total area of Andaman Islands is about 6,496 square kilometer and the total area of the Nicobar Islands is approximately 1,841 square kilometer. The highest point is located in North Andaman Island, that is Saddle Peak at 732 meters. There is diversity of flora and fauna in this group of islands. These islands lie close to equator and experience equatorial climate and has thick forest cover. I hope you have enjoyed this tour to the island groups. Thank you.